In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor multiple currency pairs on MetaTrader 5. If you're a trader looking to diversify your investments or simply want to keep a closer eye on various markets, knowing how to efficiently monitor multiple currency pairs is essential. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we're going to focus our attention on a crucial feature within MetaTrader 5 called Market Watch. If you're already familiar with the layout of MetaTrader 5, you'll know that Market Watch is your gateway to viewing live market data. Located typically on the left-hand side of the interface, the Market Watch window is where you'll see a list of available trading instruments, including currency pairs. Once you've located the Market Watch window, the next step is to utilize it to its full potential. Direct your cursor to the Market Watch area and position it over a blank space or an existing currency pair listing, whichever is accessible and convenient for you. Then right-click with your mouse. This action brings up a handy context menu that offers additional options for interacting with the Market Watch. In this menu, you'll notice several choices, but the one we're interested in is labeled Show All. By clicking on Show All, you are instructing the platform to display all available instruments and currency pairs, even those that were previously hidden from your list. This is a significant step if you're aiming to observe a broad range of currencies without having to search for each individually. The Show All option expands your visibility, providing a comprehensive overview right at your fingertips. Now, having activated the Show All feature, your Market Watch window is populated with a far more extensive list of currency pairs. With this setup, you can effortlessly scan through numerous options and choose which ones to monitor more closely. Whether you want to keep track of major currency pairs like the EUR-USD and GBP-USD, or explore more exotic pairs, enabling Show All ensures you won't miss out on any potential opportunities. It's important to note that while this method maximizes your visibility, it could become overwhelming if you're only interested in a specific selection of currencies. To customize your view further, you might want to selectively hide some pairs later on or organize them using independent watch lists catered to your specific trading strategies. By efficiently navigating through the Market Watch settings in MetaTrader 5, you enhance your ability to respond swiftly to market changes and trends. Keep this tool in mind as a fundamental part of your trading toolkit. Remember to explore diligently, and always ensure to analyze your chosen currency pairs thoroughly before making any trading decisions. And that's it. You've just learned how to monitor multiple currency pairs using MetaTrader 5. Incorporate this skill into your regular trading routine to maintain a comprehensive trading perspective. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.